good. Afambu David.
Davido,
David Adeleke. Only two.
Our soup is different.
100.
Our soup is different.
Yes, 100.
How you are going to take care of her, just for record purpose. We know you have sang about it, you have talked too much about it.
I have only 2 words: lifetime insurance.
Yes!
Can you just tell them, give them the lifetime insurance?
Lifetime insurance. I promise you, your daughter will be protected, respected, and connected. Mommy, daddy, I love you.
Hey loves, hey. There is wedding and there is wedding, guys. Today, everything just did happen. Davido 2024, no be small thing, guys. Like, waiting they occur. Like, men of men in Nigeria were there. Which one do you want me to talk and which one? Just use your eyes to do Christmas. Men them full this wedding. Like, Davido pulled crowd. Oh, forget these people pulled crowd. People that were known that Nigeria, like, everybody was there. Should I talk about the kind of people that came there, the celebrities that were there, his fellow musicians that were there, the known politicians that were there? And should I talk about when he came in, the island was just full of crowd, because I heard that it was in Island, Lagos. Crowd, traffic. Should I even talk about how they kept bouncers, where the cake they are going to use? Omo, hey, God. Money good though. Let me just tell you guys the truth. Money is good. It's just we're working hard and praying to get money, because money is good. People that are known that when it comes to wealth, they were all there. Talk about Chioma'S outfit. Her outfits were really nice. Some were even complaining that it's a do style. It's her day. What if she won't wear, she go wear them. It's her day, so nobody should even complain. Do you get? I'm not talking about the video. They wore like how many outfits? Ebuka was even host on this very occasion. Like, now, make una lose in our eyes, just do Christmas. Let me just pause here, enjoy the glimpse of what happened in Davido 2024. And if you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're also a subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
the Lord will continue to shield and protect all of you.
Yes, Lord.
You have fought battles.
Yes.
You have fought all the 4 battles.
Than Jesus Christ, our righteousness. Can we please stand up?
Tears of joy.
Standing on the promise.